Welcome to the ultimate reset for 2024. Today's the 31st and tomorrow on the 1st I'm just gonna be resetting everything. I cleaned my shoes, I cleaned a bunch of my shoes, cleaned my makeup brushes, I've cleaned out the entire area under my bed. I've kind of been on a cleaning spree because I've been taking a little bit of a break from YouTube. It's only been 6 days since I vlogged, but I still feel like I have so many updates. I can never get these even. One's always like higher than the other. I'm still on the high from last night. We went to Zach Bryan. It was maybe the best night of my life ever. I'll insert videos. I know there's a lot of people that went to the Eras tour and say that's the best concert ever, but this was better. I think just because I like Zach Bryan's music better than Taylor's, and we snuck onto the floor, and that alone was like such high adrenaline, just so fun. Basically, our friend Blake was there too, and his older brother was there, and we somehow finessed our way onto the floor. It's only the second concert I've ever been to. I'm stumbling over my words. I feel like I need to warm back up to vlogging. Also, I bought some new makeup. If you remember my traveling back home for winter break video, I don't even know what I called it. It was like home for the holidays or something. My Benefit highlighter came crumbling down, and so I bought this new one from Rare Beauty. I bought this before and I was like, I'm never buying that again because it broke. Come to find out, I was showing this to Grace and Allie and they were laughing at each other and I was like, what's so funny about my highlighter breaking? They broke it and didn't tell me, and so I opened it because they felt bad. They didn't tell me, and I opened it and I was like, oh my gosh, my highlighter must have broken somehow in my bag. I guess I just wasn't being careful enough. It was them, so I ended up taking it back, but I got it again and it's so pretty. Also, I've had 2 casualties with my nails, but I'm trying to wait till the 5th to get them done so I can go at the same time as Allie. Gorgeous. I also restocked on this stuff, and I'm gonna take this back too. I've used it twice, and there's this one and then just like a clear one, and I just need the clear one because this does not look natural on me at all. I was thinking it would be like a bronzing drop situation where it would look good and make me look more tan, but it kind of just makes my skin look uneven, so I'm gonna exchange it for the other one. Also, while I'm on the topic of makeup, Grace got me this for Christmas. It's the Thrive Cosmetics tubing mascara, and I'll show you me taking this off later because it's kind of mind-blowing. It comes off in like one foul swoop. You don't have to pull out your lashes because it's supposedly tubes around your lashes versus just, I don't know, whatever a regular mascara does, but it's called tubing mascara, and I found it from Greta Wilson's TikTok. Okay, I need to hurry up. Literally, what else is new? My New Year's resolution is to be on time to more things. Here are my clean makeup brushes. I cleaned them with a vinegar dish soap solution. It's on my TikTok if you want to see that. I'll also leave it in the description. It was super easy and I already had all the stuff, and my brushes just look a million times cleaner and they're fluffy again. Feels so good. Ah, where'd the Rare Beauty go? Oh. It's already 2:24 right now. It's been such a lazy day because I got back at like 2 in the morning from the concert last night, slept in, I went on a walk with my mom, and I just kind of did nothing all day. My room's not super messy, but I do have some stuff to clean up later. In addition to my break from YouTube, I've also taken a break from Instagram. I haven't been on Instagram in like 5 days, and not having the app, like I fully deleted the app off my phone, and not having it has made me realize how addicted I am to social media. Whenever I'm bored, it's just my instinct to go to the Instagram app. I deleted it, so there's nothing in the spot. Like if there's a different app where it was before, and I constantly find myself just out of habit when I'm bored, going straight to the Instagram app to just consume and scroll, and I never want to re-download Instagram again. Obviously I have to, like it's my job, and I love Instagram at the end of the day, but not being on it has been so eye-opening, and it's given me a chance to be creative when I'm bored instead of trying to stimulate my mind, which I think is so important. And I think I totally am what's the word? I'm a part of this statistic, and it's just our generation having such little attention spans because we're constantly being stimulated by our screens. I think so many of us are guilty of that, not consciously, but just because it's there. Like, why wouldn't we stimulate our minds? I think I've just realized more and more the value in boredom, which is such a strange thing to say, but it makes sense for me as somebody who kind of has to be creative by default for my job. My curls stayed in pretty well. I touched them up a little bit this morning, but I curled my hair last night and I wore this new dress from Free People. It's like lace, and I did the lace and leather thing with my new leather jacket and my mom's boots because I left my boots in Colorado. Here's my really cute OOTD. I got this on Boxing Day from Lululemon on sale, and I'm just wearing Brandy sweatpants. One of the many things I'm gonna reset tomorrow is my car. I still haven't cleaned it. And I'm looking like
who asked you? We're late because Katie can't be on time. What? Now we probably can't finish Gypsy
No, we are gonna finish Gypsy's on.
afternoon.
Okay, we're going to Sarah's house to watch The Act. It's the not docu-series. It's the TV show that was inspired by Gypsy Rose Blanchard. Happy 2024!
I did it. 2024.
We are ringing in the new year with a core power class. I'm honestly feeling a little bit unwell because my nose is stuffed.
And we went to bed at like 3 a.m.
And we went to bed at 3 a.m. But
so like
we're up and at 'em.
Sleep check.
Yeah, we're up and at 'em, and we're meeting our moms and Allie at Core Power. It's gonna be a great day of resetting. It's already 10:28, so we're kind of getting a late start on the day. I'm hoping for like a early night because I have to get up stupid early tomorrow because we're going skiing. I would not be here if we all weren't here. If we all weren't here. Yeah. I'm so tired.
I don't really want to like get up and go.
Same. I could just sit here and be content.
I'm really gonna take this class as easy as I can. I'm gonna be barely using my 5 pounders.
You're unsure. Sorry I didn't vlog more of last night. We went to Sarah's house, watched the Gypsy Rose show, we finished it, and we realized we spent like collectively 8 hours together watching this show in the past week. So it was 8 like 50-minute episodes, and then came back to my house, had dinner with my family, and we went to our friend's house on the beach for the ball drop. I kept calling it the ball drop, and I meant to say like the clock striking midnight or the new year, but in my mind it's just the ball drop. But we had it on the TV and it was so fun. That class was awful. And we're going to Kava. What?
Why was it awful? That a banana peel?
Yeah, I was eating it earlier. It was awful because it was like tiring. We went to Kava and it was delicious, and then I came back here, showered, and finished all my work for my online class. It ends on the 11th, so I'm like halfway through, a little over halfway through. I'm really happy that it's going well because I was so nervous about it. If you watched my Vlogmas videos, you probably heard me yapping about it. I just didn't know what to expect because I've never taken a winter course before. Anyway, it's reset time. My room looks like a mess. The mirrors have my Octo Buddy marks on them. It always leaves this film. See the little circles? I want to clean the toilet, clean this, clean the sink. Also, the best story ever. I've had this earring, I've been saving it. Hold on. If you're feeling pale, you're not alone. I just popped a pimple here. But I feel like I look ghostly. I've been saving this earring, holding out hope that it would be found because I left the other one at Grace's grandma's house like an hour and a half north. And it was found, and the other one's downstairs, and I'm just so happy. First step in the reset is to just get everything cleaned up, tidied, and actually clean. I'm still loving this perfume. Also, speaking of this just knocked over into here. I was trying to say I got this on sale from Urban a while ago and I'm still loving it. But also, Matt got me this for Christmas, the Prada Paradox. And it smells divine. He did such a good job. I told him one of the things I wanted was perfume and he could just pick out whichever one he thought smelled the best. And apparently this is trending according to Grace, so he did a good job. I need to stay focused on what I was saying. The whole reset obviously is a physical thing. Like I'm resetting my space. I'm gonna clean out my closet, clean out my camera roll, clean my room in general, clean the car, which I probably won't get to today because me and Lauren and Sarah are going to the snowboarding outlet to get stuff for tomorrow, and then we want to go see the new rom-com, Anyone But You, so that will have to wait another day. Besides the physical reset, I also want to reset spiritually because not that I haven't been in a good place with my faith, but I have not been prioritizing it like I should, and I can make all the excuses I want for it, but it's not going to change unless I actually take action to prioritize it and create better habits every day. And I feel like I say this every couple months, but it's life and it's honestly how I'm feeling, and I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that I'm so out of routine. I personally thrive on a routine, and I haven't had one because I've traveled from school back home and there's not classes every day. I had a good routine doing Vlogmas, but this past week I've had no routine. I've gone to bed at 2 a.m. probably every single night, like getting back from things or just staying up for no reason. And it's fine because it's a break and I can sleep in, but that's what's brought me to this point of like, okay, I need to reset. I need to reset my sleep schedule. Like I was saying, reset spiritually, reset physically, and just feel good for the new year. I don't actually go back until the 15th, so I still have another 2 weeks home. Specifically, the list goes to clean surfaces, clean products, organize camera roll, purge closet, move everything to Notion. I have my whole to-do list and like my life schedule on the Apple Notes app, and it's just not practical anymore. So I want to look into Notion or a similar platform to organize my life, basically. Self-care, and then clean out the car, and that's just gonna get deleted because it's not happening today. You know when your hair's so greasy that you don't even have to use a gel or anything to slick it back, it just slicks itself? That's where my hair is right now. It's so greasy, but I want to wait till tonight to wash it so I can do my face mask and just self-care to the max. Also, someone asked me how I do my claw clip, so this is for the one person that asked. I flip my hair up pull half of it down. Kind of a life hack is to use a smaller clip because it makes your hair look fuller. I'll link these ones from Amazon. They're great and they hold my hair really well. Put that right in the center, squish it together. Sometimes you gotta readjust. And then if you pull these pieces out, it also makes it look fuller. And you're good to go. This day is flying. It's already 4:18. So I don't know if I'll get everything done today, but I'm gonna do my best. As much as this week has been so all over the place and just up and down, out of routine, it's been such a fun week. Just being with all my friends that I've missed all semester has been so fun. It's just like a weight off my shoulders to not be away from Matt, doing long distance. It's so good to be home. This has been such an amazing week. Like going to that concert, I bought Matt those tickets in July for his birthday, so we've been looking forward to that for so long. Just being able to be all together with my family and also have a little bit of a break. It's been great. I was just starting to go a little bit stir crazy not having a routine. I swear, I have to go to the ski place right now. I have to leave, but I swear, I promise, I'm gonna do this when I get back. All my cleaning and resetting. I'm saying that mostly because I need to hold myself to it. But really quick before I leave, I wanna share what I just posted on TikTok. I know a lot of people on here don't follow me on TikTok, so I want to talk about this. Also, just give a more in-depth explanation. If you're not on TikTok, there's this trend going around about 2024 ins and outs, like what you're keeping in your life and what you want out of your life, and this is my list. Right here, in is being on time. This is a big one for me, and it's something I've struggled with for a long time, mostly because of my ADHD. I just get really distracted easily, and I have a really twisted concept of time. I think I can do something in a certain amount of time, and I just can't. Country concerts, daily devotionals, sleepy tea before bed. I always sleep so much better when I have tea, and it helps me wind down. FaceTime, especially just calling home and calling my friends who are all over the place. Generosity, traveling, skiing, which starts tomorrow, thinking of others first, and reading more books. I wanted to read more in 2023, and I bought a bunch of books, and I just got through like half of them, so I'm gonna commit to reading at least 3. I know that's such a small number, especially if you're a big reader, but for me, it's a lot. I'm trying to be realistic with my goals. Hopefully that will turn into more. And out is Snapchat. Not fully out, but I just feel like I've not outgrown, but kind of moved on from that. And I always would communicate with Matt over Snapchat, and we've just been texting, like not Snapchatting at all. I love Snapchat because I can send videos to my friends, and it's just an easier way to send face-to-face communication. But for little things, just like texting someone to check in on plans, things like that, I'm not gonna use Snapchat anymore because there's just not really a need. I will say it is really helpful in college and high school just to have, because if you don't have someone's number, you can easily add them and send them a message that way. But for like stuff with my close friends, Snapchat's out. Skipping breakfast. This is so easy to do in college because I get up and I just want sleep instead of food in the morning, but I'm a much happier person when I actually eat breakfast. Saying yes to too much. This is a hard one for me because I just have FOMO so bad and I say yes to way too much, but I'm gonna try to not overextend myself and have a better balance. Going to bed at 2 a.m. is out. Being easily offended is out. Feeling guilty for having free time. Self-tanner. It just looks not natural and doesn't look even, and bronzer does the trick for me. My addiction to my phone is out. Talked about that a little bit yesterday with the whole Instagram thing. Procrastinating is out. I feel like, especially with Vlogmas, I did a way better job not leaving things till the last minute, and I'm proud of that, and I want to carry that into the new year and think ahead and think of my future self and how happy I will be that I'm not leaving things till the last possible second. And lastly, eating dairy, because I've had these issues for far too long to not be doing something about them, and I think the culprit is dairy. So we'll see. I'm not gonna stop eating ice cream. Like, I can't stop eating dairy fully because it's not to the point where it's affecting my health, but I'm gonna try to eat less. That's my ins and outs for 2024. Comment yours down below because I feel like it would be good to have some inspiration and just a list of ideas of what good things we can incorporate in our lives and things that can go out the door. Goodbye to my messy room. I will clean it when I'm back. I'm not staying past the movie. So the board shop was closed. So we got sandwiches for dinner. And now we're at Target. They did a collab with Girl Scouts. Lemon.
Smell that. That smells
But
like
I don't think I would put this on my body.
That one smells like the cookie and not like just
Here,
lemon.
smell this one, guys. Lemon.
It smells good.
It smells exactly like the cookie.
This
I think that's like the
is not it.
what? The
You
peanut
should
butter
not mix peanut butter and your body wash.
Yeah.
That's
Because then it smells like you have peanut butter on your body. Like,
Vlog, we're going snowboarding tomorrow.
Woo! I'm skiing. They're snowboarding. What time are we leaving, Lauren?
6 a.m.
bro, are we actually?
No, we don't have to.
You know that sounds like 6 a.m.
No, I don't.
Not on your
though.
Yeah.
I knew where you were going.
I was trying to do the voice, but I couldn't do it.
I'm getting a new toothbrush head. Chomplings, gum, Celsius for tomorrow, and these to make tonight because I don't have dairy. I'm going strong on my no dairy. I didn't get cheese in my sandwich earlier.
This is my haul. This lighting is so good. And I also got the chops.
Toilet paper, this sunscreen, but I actually really like it because it's like green tinted, so like all the redness on your face goes away. I like that. And then I got mascara, this highlighter, this notebook. This is my last semester of high school. I'm gonna write stuff down.
She wants to have a diary.
But not like an everyday diary.
She wants to write down the drama so she can look back on it.
Exactly. The camera like that.
Sarah has a staring problem. We came to the conclusion that it makes sense. Wait, I'm embarrassed. I got embarrassed. We came to the conclusion that it makes sense for us to sleep at each other's house. Like, to have a sleepover tonight if we're getting up so early tomorrow morning. To save
I feel
time.
like I look like yellow.
Hold on, let me reset it. Better?
That is better.
I think this lighting's just weird. I look like a hard-boiled egg. No, this is what I look like right now.
Miss Katie in her element, though. Yes! Can you include the beeping sound? I think they'd appreciate it.
Just for you.
Remember to grab your receipt.
Lauren was too stubborn for a bag. So.
No!
You're kidding. I'm back editing away, and Allie is whipping up her dessert.
Tonight we are making chocolate chip banana bread.
We just went to Sprouts and got all this stuff. I feel like I'm making good time. I'm just gonna finish this and then go upstairs and clean. I'm doing a whole reset. Look at my new sweatshirt or crew neck Grace got me for my birthday. Turn around, look how cute. It says made for more on the front and then it has all the fruits and spirit on the back. I'm gonna start cleaning everything after this is done. Most of the cleaning is done. I'm sleeping at Sarah's, so the self-care is gonna have to wait for another night. I have a bunch of stuff packed up in here. And I also have a bunch of stuff to bring downstairs too because Matt's borrowing a lot of my dad's stuff. But I'm gonna bring these. And I left my boots and skis that I rented in Colorado. But by the grace of God, we found my mom's old boots and they fit me perfectly. So I'm gonna wear those and just rent skis when we get up on the mountain. I need to wash my hair. Honestly, I'm questioning if I should even wash my hair. I should just braid it tomorrow. It's just so gross. But it's gonna be in a helmet and then a beanie all day tomorrow. So I don't think I'm gonna wash it actually. I'm just gonna put a bunch of dry shampoo in it tomorrow and then I'll braid it in the morning. I have water on my fingers. You just give it a little water and it's gone and you can wipe it away. This to me is so much more convenient than pulling at my lashes because usually I have to tug at my lashes and I feel like it damages them. I got some water on here. I love how easy that mascara comes off. I'm so excited for tomorrow. If you've been watching my vlogs consistently, you know I've been like buying all my ski stuff. I've just been so excited to ski. Tomorrow is the day. I'm off. Hopefully, I have everything. I triple checked. We're out here skiing. Yeah. Matt's torn meniscus is flaring up.
Hey vloggy doggies, we're shredding it.
We just had chicken tenders for lunch. Sorry this vlog was kind of a mess. Every time I take a break I have to like get back into it, but I wanted to conclude with this. I meant to say this initially when I was filming this video, but I just never really got to it and I was editing this morning. I haven't started it yet, but I'm starting tonight this plan on the Bible app. It's called The Good Shepherd and it's a 30-day plan. I don't think I have the ability to link this, but if you download the YouVersion Bible app and search for this under plans, it should pop up. I really want to create better habits and just build time with the Lord into my day. So I'm gonna start tonight with day 1 and just go through the 30 days this month, and that way I'll be able to get in the Word. It shows you a devotional and then Bible verses to follow. I've talked about these plans for so long and I love the 5-day ones too, but I just feel like it's done and then I don't keep going. So I'm excited about the 30-day one. Happy New Year. I love you guys so much and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.